So what is up, guys? So in today's video we are going to be playing Banjo Kazooie. So guys, I have never played this game, but we're gonna be playing it. So I've played it a little bit. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get back to playing Nintendo games and horror games, and plus I'm still gonna be doing Fortnite, but right now I'm just focusing on horror games. I'll come back in like 2 weeks. Okay, that's good, right? Okay, so we have to go up here basically. Then we need to go down here and boom. Okay, let's freaking kill this crab right here. So yeah guys, basically if you guys don't know what Banjo Kazooie is, it was a really popular game back in the early 2000s, and yeah, basically it's a childhood favorite for everyone. So let's get started with this. Okay, so in this world, I've already played some of it. We need to get 10 stars. I have 7, so we need to find 3 more. Yeah, 3 more. I'm freaking dumb. I can't count. Okay, so let's just go up here. I don't know what's the. I mean, I kind of do know what's up here, but yeah. Okay, so let's go down here. I don't even know what's down here. Okay. Me leaky, no good for water. Can bear block hole with pebble? Okay, I think these are pebbles, right? Okay, leaky patched up. Now empty water for bear. Okay. Oh, he emptied the whole water thing. So the castle went down. So let's just go down the castle, cause you know. Guys, you have to get 10 each world to actually pass, and you need 50 notes to pass it. So now we can do this thing. Hey, Furball, you're looking wise. Solve my puzzle and win a prize. I don't know how to do this puzzle. Bro, I don't even know what to do. Okay, wait, I don't know how I got that. Wait, I think we have to spell out Banjo. Hold up. Yeah, we definitely do. Okay, where's JJJ? I need to do this quick. JJJ's right here. Banjo. I need the O. Cause where's the K? Right here. Dang it, I need to retry. Okay, I'm just gonna go back here, get out, and then go back in, cause you know that's the secret thing. Look, where's the eye? I need the freaking eye. Wait, what? Banjo Kazooie. Banjo Kazooie. Banjo Kazooie. E? Bro, I'm giving this. Come on, I'm giving this one more try. I got this. Come on. Hold on. Different A, I think. You're here. I need to find a different A. Come on! Got it! Got him! I got it! Now I just need 2 more. Yo, man just ate that freaking puzzle like it's nothing. Okay, now let's freaking get a pirate ship right here, and I think it shouldn't be sinking right now, since my boy paint guy or water. Okay, so I don't know where. Okay, so let me think. Where would the freaking other thing island, the freaking other thing be? No, I don't think so. I think I already checked that island already. Can I go up here? Oh, you can. So can we hit this? Hold up. Oh, okay, okay. Holy smokes. Boom! We found one. Okay, nice. That's... Holy smokes, I almost just died right there. I could turn into this freaking cool bird. Okay, let's go here again. Now let's go to that place. I probably missed something. Oh no. Kill me? You know what? We got it. I don't care. We had to get it. We had to get it. Okay. Okay, so we're up here. I don't know what to do. Bro, what do I do? Oh my god. Follow the clues. Oh my god, I almost fell. Oh my god, I'm almost dead. We keep on going? Okay, so we're just gonna keep on going. Oh my god! I just want to freaking find treasure. You'll never find me now. Okay, bro, what do we do? Oh my god! Need this right now. So what do we do now? How do you open this guy? Dude. Oh, there we go. We got the 10 stars. Okay, so we got the 10 freaking stars. Now we can get out of this freaking place. Okay, so guys, let's just get the freaking 10 puzzles. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so I mean we already got the 10 puzzles. Okay, now let's get the frick out of here. Let's get out of here. I'm done in this place. I'm done in this dump. Okay, let's go back in this freaking place. Let's get out this treasure island. I'm getting sick of this freaking treasure island thing. Go back up here. Okay, let's go down here. Let's jump! I don't even know what the ugly witch was saying. Okay, let's get it. But yeah, guys, we'll find out where to go next episode, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, let's get it. Wait, what? We just went in this freaking pot.